Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Jodhpur, AIIMS Jodhpur, which is a prestigious medical institute of India. Here registration for Master of Public Health MPH entrance exam 2024-25 has started. In this video, I will give you information regarding MPH course January 2025 session at School of Public Health SPS AIIMS Jodhpur. Start date is 25th of October 2024 and last date is 25th of November 2024. So in this video, information regarding MPH course January 2025 session at School of Public Health SPH AIIMS Jodhpur will be given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like ICMR Bhubaneswar, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, Christian Medical College Bangalore, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences Jaipur, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the prospectus for All India Institute of Medical Sciences Jodhpur dated 24th of October 2024. MPH prospectus, advertisement number academic MPH 2025 AIIMS JDS. ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेज जोधपुर, अखिल भारतीय आयुर्विज्ञान संस्थान, सर्वे संतु निरामया. जनवरी 2025 सेशन. Important dates at a glance. Last date for online registration of application on AIIMS website www.aimsjodhpur.edu.in. So last date for online registration of application is 25th of November 2024. So 1 month time is remaining. From 25th of October 2024, registration has been started. Here are some important notice. Please fill the online application carefully. It may not be possible to make changes after registration as indicated. Any amendment, rectification, change, editing is not allowed in name, date of birth and category, community and PWBD status after final submission. Applicants may note that further correspondence will not be entertained in this regard. Multiple applications are not allowed and will lead to cancellation of candidature. Date of uploading prospectus and registration for online application through the web portal. So registration has started from 25th of October 2024. Last date for registration for the online application, last date is 25th of November 2024. Download of hall ticket 7th of December 2024. From 7th of December 2024, applicants can download admit card. Date of entrance exam MCQ based December 2024 to be declared. So information regarding date of entrance exam which is MCQ based will come in December 2024. Entrance exam will be in December 2024 and information regarding entrance exam will be declared on website. Date of starting of session will start from 15th of January 2025. Declaration of result will only be available on the website aimsjodhpur.edu.in. Results of individual candidate will not be confirmed individually and candidates are advised not to call the Dean academic session for such information. Application fee general OBC EWS category ₹1000 plus transaction charges as applicable. SC, ST, PWBD category rupees 800 plus transaction charges as applicable. Mode of payment through debit, credit card, net banking. Candidate must keep their transaction ID along with proof for future references and may be asked to submit later. So this is the introduction for MPH course. Now this is core credit schemes, program credit, aims and objective for MPH course, eligibility criteria and admission procedure, admission to the course. Admission to the new batch of Master of Public Health course will commence from January 2025. The admission to the course imparted at the institute is made on merit on all India basis by holding an entrance examination by the institute after issuing a countrywide admission notice. The admission notice is published in leading national newspaper of India. Duration of MPH course, full-time 2 years course. Method of selection through entrance examination only. The candidate will be selected for admission to the MPH program on the basis of written entrance test. Number of seats, eligible candidates, essential qualification seats, unreserved OBC, SC, ST, EWS. For medical, essential qualification is MBBS, BDS, Ayush, Alternative System of Medicine in India degree. Seats are 10, unreserved 4, OBC 3, SC 1, ST 1, EWS 1. So 10 seats are for medical candidates and non-medical. Essential qualification is bachelor degree in nursing, veterinary sciences, physiotherapy, occupational therapy, engineering, BE, BTech with minimum 55% marks, master degree, MA, MSc with minimum 50% marks in nutrition, pharmacology, pharmacy, agriculture sciences, social science or any other science degree. Seats are 4 for non-medical, unreserved 2, OBC 1, SC 1. Sponsored MBBS, BDS, Ayush, Health Sciences degree with 3 years experience. Number of seats are 6. So total seats are 20. Reservation of seats as per Government of India rules. The number of seats is subject to change. Now this is course fee. Indian nationals rupees 1,40,000 for a period of 2 years, 35,000 per semester, 4 semesters. International candidates $3,000. Joining time, selected candidate must join the course on the prescribed date as indicated in their admission letter. The selection of those who fail to join by the specified date shall automatically stand cancelled. Accommodation facility. Accommodation will be provided subject to availability of rooms in the hostel. So these are important instructions. So this is the information for AIIMS Jodhpur MPH course. Here entrance exam syllabus is also given for AIIMS Jodhpur Master of Public Health admission January 2025 session. This is the syllabus for entrance exam. Syllabus for the MPH entrance exam. Public health. Topics for public health. In public health, topics will come environment and health, communicable and non-communicable diseases, concept of health and disease, demography and family welfare, disaster management, biostatics, social sciences and health, national health, nutrition deficiency conditions including macronutrient, malnutrition, policy and national health programs, screening for diseases, hospital acquired infections, health planning and management, and in allied health sciences, topics will come basic genetics, chemical and bacteriological quality of water, fluorosis, acute respiratory infections including influenza, SARS and tuberculosis, vaccine preventable diseases, vector bionomics and ecology and bioenvironmental vector control, zoonosis, public health laboratory, nutrition and metabolism, molecular diagnosis, laboratory aspect of waterborne and vector-borne diseases, immunology, arthropods of public health importance. So in this video, information regarding AIIMS Jodhpur MPH admissions January 2025 information has been given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like ICMR Bhubaneswar, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, Common University Intent Test, CUT PG, JIPMEN, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Christian Medical College Value, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences Jaipur, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.